Okay, if I want to minimize the first K-map, this one, let me start with the observation that these four here and those four here are actually adjacent, because the only variable that changes here is C. It is C bar here and C here, and D bar is common, so I am taking a group of 8 here, and basically they are actually adjacent, and the expression will be D bar. Let's write that now. So these are gone. These two I can group here, but that will be a smaller group. I want the group to be as big as possible, so let's do that. Let's do this one. Now here the common is this way B, and in this direction this is C bar, so that's B C bar. The only one that is left is this one. I should not take it by itself because I can group it with this one, so it is becoming A bar B bar here, that's the common, and here this is C, so A bar B bar C. That's my group for this one. That's the minimized expression, minimized using K-map. Now looking at this one, once again what I can do is, there may be a temptation to make this one, and then we can do for this one, but we may end up getting unnecessary groups, so we have to be careful. What we can do here is actually, let's group it like that. Let's do this one, let's do this one. These two can go with this one, so with this one first I have A bar here, that's common, and here it is C bar, plus with this one I have A here, and this one and this this one is D bar, this one is D bar, so D bar. Now only this one is left. This one I shouldn't take it by itself, so this one, what I will do is, this one is adjacent, this one is adjacent to this one. We have 1 at 4 corners, so we can group them together, so 4 of them. And here the common is again D bar is common, and B bar is common, because this is B bar here, this is B bar here, and this is D bar here, and here, so plus B bar D bar. So we can see that how there is a temptation to make unnecessary groups, because it was very much possible to group this one if I had grouped like that here, this one, and then this one, and then maybe this one, and then the 4 corner ones. Then I would have ended with an extra group which I don't need. So I have to be careful whether I have to be careful that I am not making unnecessary groups, and so the number of groups should be as less as possible. Also, one group should be as big as possible. Any group should be as big as possible. So not taking any one by itself, take as many ones as possible. However, there are occasions when a one cannot be grouped with any other one, and then it had to go by itself. So for example, if this K-map did not have a 1 here, instead of this one, if the 1 was there, so there is no 1 there. If that was the case, then it had to go by itself, because it cannot be grouped with anything else. So it had to go by itself. That's the thing. It's just that we have to see whether we should try to make the group as large as possible, but when it cannot be done, that's fine. That's the case then, and that is the minimized expression then.